Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My capture. Today, we're diving into the world of performance smartphones with a brand new device that's been making waves. It's the iQOO Neo 10R. Known for pushing boundaries in speed and gaming, iQOO has delivered another compelling option. In this video, we'll be unboxing this powerful device and going through all its detailed specifications. So, let's not wait any longer, and jump right in. The iQOO Neo 10R comes in a sleek, distinctively designed box that immediately suggests a focus on performance. Lifting the lid, you're greeted by the phone itself, nestled securely. Beyond the phone, iQOO has been thoughtful with the bundled accessories. A clear protective case to keep your new phone safe, and the essential documentation. You get the impressively fast 80 watts flash charge adapter, a USB-A to USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool. It's great to see iQOO including essential accessories right in the box, especially that powerful charger, which is a huge plus. Now, let's talk about the design and build of the iQOO Neo 10R. This phone feels incredibly solid and premium in the hand. The design is immediately striking. We have it here in the Moon Knight Titanium variant, which features a smooth matte finish or distinctive 3D moon texture on the back. It feels solid yet surprisingly lightweight in the hand, weighing around 196 grams, and is quite slim at 7.98 millimeters. The camera module is prominent yet aesthetically pleasing, housing the powerful lenses. You'll find the volume rockers and power button conveniently placed on the side, offering satisfying tactile feedback. At the bottom, we have the USB-C port, the primary speaker grille, and the dual SIM card tray. Interestingly, on the top, iQOO has included an IR blaster, which is super handy for controlling your home appliances, and for added peace of mind, the phone boasts an IP65 rating for dust and water resistance, meaning it can handle splashes and dust with ease. Turning our attention to the front, the iQOO Neo 10R features a stunning 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display. This isn't just a large screen, it's incredibly smooth, thanks to its blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate. Every interaction, from scrolling through social media to intense gaming, feels fluid and responsive. The display also boasts an impressive peak brightness of up to 4500 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. With HDR10+ support and 3840Hz PWM dimming, your content will look vibrant, sharp, and easy on the eyes. Plus, it's protected by durable shock sensation up glass. Under the hood, the iQOO Neo 10R is a true performance beast. It's powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 mobile platform, a flagship-grade chipset built on a 4nm TSMC process. This chipset, combined with the LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, ensures lightning-fast performance, whether you're multitasking, launching demanding applications, or diving into graphic-intensive games. Speaking of gaming, iQOO has equipped this phone with a massive 6043 square millimeters vapor chamber for efficient cooling, so you can game for longer without worrying about thermal throttling. It's truly built for performance enthusiasts. Moving on to the cameras. The iQOO Neo 10R features a capable dual camera setup on the rear. We have a high-resolution 50MP primary sensor, which is the Sony IMX882, complete with optical image stabilization, OIS. This means your photos will be sharp, detailed, and less prone to blur, even in challenging lighting conditions. Alongside it, you get an 8MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or fitting more into your group shots. For selfies and video calls, there's a clear 32MP front-facing camera. And for video creators, both the front and rear cameras support 4K video recording, and up to 60 frames per second, giving you excellent flexibility. Powering all of this is a substantial 6400 mAh battery. This massive capacity ensures you'll comfortably get through a full day of heavy usage. And for some, even more. And when you do need to top up, the included 80 watts flash charge is incredibly fast. It can take your phone from 0 to 50% in approximately just 26 minutes, getting you back to action in no time. It also offers 7.5W reverse wired charging, allowing you to share power with other devices. On the software side, the iQOO Neo 10R runs on FrontEndOS OS 15, based on Android 15, offering a clean, intuitive, and feature-rich user experience. You'll find optimizations specifically for gaming, like the Ultra Game mode, which enhances your gaming sessions. The phone features loud and clear dual stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. For security and convenience, there's a fast and accurate in-display optical fingerprint sensor. While it may skip on NFC, the overall software package is smooth and responsive, with iQOO promising good software update support. So, that's a comprehensive unboxing and detailed specification overview of the iQOO Neo 10R. This phone truly delivers on its promise of performance, combining a top-tier processor, a stunning high refresh rate AMOLED display, a massive battery with lightning-fast charging, and a capable camera system, all packaged in a stylish and durable design. It's an incredibly compelling option for gamers, power users, and anyone seeking excellent value for their money. What are your thoughts on the iQOO Neo 10R? Are you impressed with its specs? Let me know in the comment section below. Support the channel by using our affiliate link in the description when you make your purchase. We truly appreciate it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates and reviews on the latest tech. Thanks for watching.